A Jamaican-born teen, accepted by 16 top U.S. universities. This is Jamaal Willis. Born in Jamaica, Jamaal didn't grow up with guaranteed access to elite schools or endless resources. What he did have: relentless ambition. Top U.S. universities reject millions of applicants every year. Acceptance rates? Sometimes under 10%, and Jamaal wasn't applying to one school. He was competing globally. Late nights studying, perfecting applications, believing in himself even when the odds said no. Then the emails came in. One acceptance, then another, then another. In total 16 acceptances from top U.S. universities. After weighing his options, Jamaal made his choice. He officially accepted an offer from Harvard University, a moment that changed his life and inspired countless others. His story proves something powerful. Your passport doesn't limit your potential. Your starting point doesn't define your finish. From Jamaica to Harvard University. If this inspired you, comment limitless and follow for more stories of Caribbean excellence.